silver both retracing back from the key resistance levels. Remember the level at 1836 which I told for gold yesterday, it has again proven out to be a very strong resistance and it is perfectly retraced from those levels. And similarly silver achieved a high of 2190 above 2170. I hope you all profited. Now trading with a drop. What is going to happen today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next analysis for gold will be released before the US cash session along with the Dow Jones and Nasdaq analysis. So do watch that also. Let's start the day with gold first. First we'll see into gold and then followed with silver. So do watch till the end. So this is the 2-hour charts for gold, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, the previous two candles, flat top is being seen, and yes, with that as flat top, it is trying to give you the red candle. This is the first red candle. Probably it may follow up with the further red candles. Now 1818 is the level only above which I will recommend you to go long. Else till the time it is below 1818, I will be looking forward for it to hit the zone at 1806, and below that we may see a good drop. So this is what it appears on gold today. This is just on the 2-hour charts. Let's have a more look on other indicators and charts. It is bearish on the directional movement. Stochastic is oversold here on the 2-hour charts. The MACD has crossed over and it is divergent, indicating bearishness here, and the RSI is looking downwards. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly, see another interesting observation is similarly it is seen the top here. 1836 again played out a very important role for gold's movement. Now it is trying to trade in this channel, and probably till the time it trades below 1818 today, I will not recommend you to go long. However, look at the 3-hour charts. The stochastic is oversold, probably may try to retrace back a bit and then drop followed with a drop. Also look at this zone here at 1810 and 18.8. So any drop below 18.8 is only the level below which one can go short. Below 1808 levels here, one can expect that it may try to show you further drop, where one can expect 1804 and 1798 levels. So this is what we can see on the 3-hour chart. The directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is oversold, and if you look at the MACD trying to converge and crossover, RSI near to bottom there. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, similarly on the 4-hour charts, you can see every drop followed with a retracement, lower highs, drop, sharper drop, retracement, and now again trading with a drop. Precisely gold is following this channel in which it is trading right now, and probably now once it breaks 1808, I'll be looking forward to 1804, 1798, and then below that we may see a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 1780 and below levels. So both 2, 3, 4-hour charts all have confirmed the same thing. If you look at the directional movement, it is still bearish, and stochastic is oversold here. MACD is trying to converge here and crossover, and yes, RSI is trading near to flat or near to bottom there. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, I will confirm this is reversal, and see it can reverse also. These are markets, anything is possible, and that is why I say a reversal confirmation is once it trades above 1818. You can expect that it is going to achieve higher highs this time, and we will see 1840 levels again. We will see 1840 levels today. If it trades above 1818, go long. Next target 1821, nearest resistance is at 1821, then 1825, after that 1830, 36 and 40. So every $4 or $5 move, there is a little resistance where it may try to retrace back a bit before it tries to move upwards. So yes, if it trades above 1818, you can go long today, and probably the target could be at around 1825, 1830 levels, which may appear, and then 1836 and 1840 can be also expected. At the same time, dropping below, now what it has done is on the daily charts, you can see the wick is already there, the wick is already formed. Now it is trying to trade with a drop. Also the support here at 1808 is something which I will be looking forward to. Once it breaks below 1808, you can confirm that it is going to give you sharper red candle. So 1825 to 1815, $10 from 1815 to 1804, 1805, at least it can try to come back till these levels. If not below 1800, it may try to come back till 1804, 1805 levels, and then it can try to go back below 1798 levels also. Directional movement is wide bearish. The stochastic on the daily charts is looking upwards, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and it is still trading in a bearish note. RSI near to oversold zone. So considering this, between 1808 and 1818 do not trade. And look at this, in fact just below 1808 there is a very nearby support at 1804 1805 levels, just $1 off. There is a support zone in between these levels, and then on the upside there is a support resistance at 182122 level. So almost $3-4 you will gain if you short below 1818, or if you go long above 18, if you go long above 1818, and if you short below 1808 levels. But beyond these two levels, it may try to show you extreme moves on the either sides. On the downside, below 1804 we can expect 1798, 1791 and 1780 levels. It can drop strongly if it trades below these levels. And yes, on the upside, if it reverses above 1822, it can try to hit 1830, 1836 and 1840 levels. These are also very much achievable. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 1808 and 1818 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver has its resistance at 2170, as I told yesterday also. 2170 was the level to remain long, and it has achieved 2190 levels. Now again today, if you see it trading above 2170, one can go long. However, now these levels are very strong resistance. Also look at this on the 2-hour charts. It has dropped below 2160. Now probably we may see 2140 coming soon on silver, and below that we can expect a sharper drop again, which will try to take it towards 2130 and towards 2110 levels. So it can try to drop below these levels sharply, where it can try to hit 2120 and 2110 levels. So this is what it appears. Let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to see, this zone is a support zone now at 2150, and below that we can expect that there is lot much gap to cover up here, and it can try to drop sharply below these levels, where I will be expecting 2130, 2110 levels, and in fact it can drop well below these levels. Now look at the directional movement. The directional movement is still bullish here, but may try to converge crossover. The stochastic is near to bottom there, and if you look at the MACD is trying to converge and crossover on a sell side, and if you look at the RSI is also near to top but trying to look downwards from here. So now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, similarly you will find couple of observations to make. Higher highs have been seen. The support here at 2150 is very strong, breaking below which one can expect that it may try to complete its journey till 2130, 2120 levels. And if you look at the charts here, the highs here of this channel, in fact it is trying to trade in this channel. The support here at 2130, 2120 is very strong, so I'll be looking forward to that. It may try to drop till towards 2130, 2120 zone. Directional movement is bullish, but it is trading very narrowly, and probably it may converge crossover too. The stochastic is trying to trade and hit at oversold levels. The MACD is again trying to converge crossover on a sell side. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts similarly, see, on the daily charts, only if it trades above 2170 you can go long. Beyond 2170 it may try to show you similar move, which will try to take it towards 2180, 2190 and 2200. Remember, these levels were the levels which I had shared yesterday also. Now today again, if it drops below 2150, if it drops below 2150, my next target is 20. See, there are a couple of supports here at nearby levels, and if you look at this, see, 2144, and then below that 2130 levels can be expected. In fact, it can try to drop till towards 2120 levels. There is a possibility, considering this as reversal. If it drops below 2150, you can go short for 2144, 2130, and then below that we may see a sharper drop on the downside. In between 2150 and 2170, I will not recommend you to trade today. Look at this. The directional movement is still bearish, trying to convert. The stochastic is near to top there. The MACD, that is the observation here, the MACD has just crossed over. This is a bullish crossover, and hence we have to be a little bit cautious. This is the first candle. After this I'll be observant. Probably I will not I'll be cautious there rather a bit. And see, the stochastic is RSI is also near to oversold levels, and yes, that is what we confirm. Only sell entry today one can take is below. I will let me widen it a bit. 2144 to 2170. Do not trade in between these 26 points. And yes, any move below 2144 you can go short for 2130, 2120 levels. Any move above 2170 will take it again till towards 2180 first target, 2190 second target, and beyond that it may try to hit back towards 2205, 2210 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 2144 to 2170. 26 points, stay away. Let it take a direction, and then you take your positions accordingly. So this is all for gold and silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch bookings are open. This is going to start on 6th of June, 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what the benefits are. Strategies taught in this will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. So reach out to me for more details. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.